Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to stop your phone from getting hot on the OnePlus N6. First, go into Settings and then Battery Settings. We have Balance Mode, but you can select Power Saving Mode. Here we have Battery Usage by App. If some apps use very much battery, consider using them less or even disabling them. Remember that charging your phone will always cause heat, especially with fast charging. You can close background apps, disable features you're not using in quick settings, and stay in a cool ventilated room. Also, you can take off the case from your phone. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.